In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set live wallpaper on your PC. It's a great way to customize your desktop, so let's get started. First, you'll need to download a live wallpaper application. One of the most popular option is Wallpaper Engine, Lively Wallpaper. For this tutorial, I'll be using Lively Wallpaper because it's free. Now search for Lively Wallpaper and download it. Then follow the prompts to install it on your PC. After installation, open the application. For Lively Wallpaper, you should see a clean interface with various options to choose from. Now it's time to choose your wallpaper. You can browse through the pre-installed wallpapers or click on the search icon to simply search for the preferred one. Choose the wallpaper you prefer, go back, and as you can see, my live wallpaper has been set up. And that's it, you've successfully set a live wallpaper on your PC.